Yo, what's good, everybody? It's the Chosen One, back at it today, and I'm getting ready to hit you guys with something I should have put in my earlier videos when I was trying to prove this point. The argument, it would have already been over a very long time ago, but I'm gonna put it into perspective so my subscribers can see this for themselves. Now, this is undisputable evidence, okay, that basically proves our order of the cosmos, and it proves, that we live on a globe, and it also proves that the globe is in motion. Now, what most ignorant flat earthers will tell you is that our government had us learn the globe in school. The first thing in school, we saw a globe, and they're saying the government never gives us anything for our good. So why would the globe be any different? Well, what you guys fail to realize is, if I'm not mistaken, we also learned something called math in school, if I'm not mistaken. And math is the language of the universe, and math is the language of the mother universal creator, and even the two first letters of math are M-A, Ma, which is the mother universal creator. Math never lies, and math is the language of the divine universe. So anybody telling you that math isn't important is out of their minds. So why am I saying this? Like I said in previous lectures, the devil is going to give you some truth with some lies. He's basically going to twist the truth. So that is what happened with everything we've been taught, okay? It's actually been flipped upside down. But when we're talking about this globe, okay, we learned the globe and we learned math in school first. Now, it's very obvious, people, because with math, you can prove that we're living on a globe. And guess what? With this lecture, I ain't using NASA's math. Nope. And you nope. None of the flat earthers can say that shit. Nope. The title of this video is going to be Flat Earth Math. Okay? It ain't NASA's math. This is flat earth math. And I'm gonna show you how this shit is kindergarten, preschool bullshit, and it was a psychological operation to discredit the truther movement and to legally deem the truthers who know about the government secrets, to legally deem them insane, to legally classify truthers and conscious people as insane. And I'm getting ready to prove it with not NASA math, but flat earth math. Now let's look at flat earth math. Okay, for starters, each mile is 5,280 feet. I'm gonna repeat that. Each mile is 5,280 feet. Now, according to this flat earth map here, the earth is 30,000 miles, not feet, I messed up there, 30,000 miles in diameter. Now, I just told you, each mile is 5,280 feet, okay? That is extremely far, okay? 30,000 of those 5,280 feet. That is extremely far. That is the diameter of the flat earth. That's what they're saying. They're also saying that the sun and the moon are 32 miles wide. They're both 32 miles wide. And they're saying that both the sun and the moon are 32,000 miles off the ground, not 32,000 feet. Okay, 32,000 feet is only a little bit over 6 miles. 32,000 miles, okay, that is the length of the damn earth. That's the length of the earth. That's the diameter of the earth, and that's how far it is off of the ground, off of the flat plane. This is what they are saying. Okay, so right here, you have North America, you have South America, you have Australia, you have Europe, you have Asia, you have India, you have Africa, all on the flat plane, right? So if this cosmology is correct, also the firmament and the stars are 70,000 miles above our heads, according to flat earth math. So if this model is correct, all of these people on 7 continents, 7 different continents, if they were to get up on any kind of elevation, on some kind of mountain range, or just out in the wilderness, you know, anywhere that's somewhat high elevation, they wouldn't have to be on a mountain peak per se, just somewhere where it's a significant amount of elevation. If all 7 people got at a certain point of elevation, okay, which is just at the bottom of any mountain range, everybody on 7 different continents would see the sun and the moon at the same damn time for 24 hours, no matter where you were on the planet. Okay? I'm getting sick of this crap. This is nothing but crap. This is preschool. I can teach this to a damn 5th grader, 6th grader, 7th grader. They get it, but religious morons and flat earthers who only care about gaining subscribers, they're either retarded or they're fooling the people and just want more subscribers. It's either one of the two, okay? Like I said, they're saying the sun and the moon are 32 miles wide. Ladies and gentlemen, 32 miles is the length of an average town. 32 miles is the length of an average town. So you're telling me the sun, which is lighting up a 4,000 mile radius, okay? A 4,000 mile radius, from coast to coast in North America is a 4,000 mile radius, halfway from Canada all the way down, halfway to Argentina, is a 10,000 mile diameter. So hold on. You're talking about a light source that's lighting up 10,000 miles latitude, 4,000 miles longitude, and is 32,000 miles in the sky. And not every person across the planet, on each continent, can see this thing that's lighting up damn near half of the goddamn world? But hold on. This is the icing on the cake. This is it. This is the nail in the coffin. Because no matter where you are on the planet, you can always see these stars that are 70,000 miles right below the firmament. Can't you? Can't you? 70,000 miles. So you can see these tiny stars that are 70,000 miles right below the firmament, but you can't see a goddamn star that's lighting up half the world that's only 32,000 miles off the ground. So you can see these small stars that are 70,000 miles above the ground, but you can't see this light source that's lighting up half the damn world, that's half the distance, okay, near the firmament. Are you kidding me? Don't insult my intelligence. Don't, please, flat brainers, don't insult my intelligence. Don't insult my subscribers' intelligence, okay? Don't do it. You're embarrassing yourself, okay? Just admit you're wrong. Just grow some damn balls, and admit you're wrong like a man, okay? It's getting very stupid and very sickening. They're also saying that magnetic north is where all the ocean tides are being flushed into. If that is correct, every single ocean current on the planet would be going north. That is not the case. So let me tell you what is the case. Most of the wind and ocean currents in the Atlantic are going from east to west. east to west. Most of the ocean currents in the Pacific are going west to east. West to east. That cannot happen if your sun and moon are orbiting around the flat plane going in one direction on a motionless plane. This is what you're also saying. You're also saying that this is a motionless disk and the earth doesn't move. So if the earth doesn't move and it's a motionless disk and we have the sun and the moon going around and around, same direction for thousands of years, guess what? Your goddamn weather is going to be the same each and every day. With a motionless flat plane and with the sun and the moon going around in the same goddamn direction on the flat plane, all your wind currents would go east to west on a flat plane model, okay? It's getting really sickening. And this is how it really goes. Atlantic currents of water and wind go east to west. In the Pacific, it goes west to east. This is why when the two different wind directions meet up in America, there's a lot of tornadoes in America. And it also causes cyclones and hurricanes, okay, to come in this direction, east to west. And then the cyclones and the hurricanes in the Pacific usually go west to east, okay? You know why? Because the rotation of the earth is going from west to east. Earth's magnetic field is pushing the wind currents west to east when the earth moves west to east. Now the moon orbits around the sun and it magnetizes Earth's water and wind, okay? The moon's magnetism pushes the water and the wind currents on the earth east to west. East to west. While the Earth's spinning movement sends the currents going west to east. This is how you have your cyclones. This is how you have your hurricanes. And they go in the opposite directions in different oceans. This cannot happen on a goddamn preschool, flat Earth model. It can't happen. It's over. It's dead. Finito, flatline. It's over. Okay? I'm sick of seeing this crap. I really am. And I'm going to have to come with this intensity to, you know what I'm saying? For the truth to get out there. Because this is really put in motion to discredit the truthers. Okay? It's time to accept facts for what they are. This is some more proof that we ain't on a goddamn flat earth. If we were on a flat earth and the sun and the moon were going around in a circular motion, hold on a second. They're going around in a circular motion. That means that the sun and the moon would never take straight paths. Hello? That means the sun and the moon are never going to take straight paths. There's always going to be a curve to their motion. I'm going to repeat that. On a flat earth model, your sun and moon, the motion of all of it would have a curved motion, especially the sun. The sun on a flat earth model should have a curved motion no matter where you are on the planet. So let's see if we're on the ground, what our sunrises and sunsets are supposed to look like on a flat earth model. Now, last time I checked, when you put things into perspective and things appear in your sight that are far away, they start off small, then when they get closer to you, they get bigger in frame. I'm going to repeat that. Objects that come closer to your vision, they start out small and they get bigger in picture frame. If the sun was rotating around a flat plane, okay, and we're on a motionless flat plane, the sun's image should be starting out small over the horizon, getting bigger, while making a curved orbit motion in our vision. It should be getting bigger as it gets towards the middle of the sky and getting smaller away as it sets. And it's not supposed to be going across the top of the sky. It's not supposed, if the sun is orbiting around in a circular motion, the sun is not supposed to be going across the top middle of the sky, people. It's supposed to be going across the southern portion of our sky at all times because it's taking a circular motion. Wake the hell up. If a helicopter comes over your house, the image from far away is going to be smaller. Then as it gets closer to you, it's going to get bigger, bigger, bigger. Then as it goes away, it's going to get smaller, 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 smaller until it disappears. This is how your sun image pattern. This is how your sun image pattern is supposed to be on your horizon on a flat plane disk. Okay? That's how it's supposed to be. But it's not. If you go outside and you take any kind of camera and take pictures of the sun when it rises, when it reaches the middle, the top of the sky, and when it sets, it is the same exact picture frame, and that cannot happen if your sun is 32 miles wide and 32,000 miles off of the ground. We would be able to see the curvature of the sun's orbit, and that means that if we were in North America, we have to see the curve of the sun's orbit, and that means the sun is going to be on the south side of the sky. The sun is going to be on the south side of the sky if the sun is going around in a circular motion on a flat plane. Come on now, it's time to wake up. You want to talk about curvature? Where the hell's the curvature of the sun's orbit, flat brainers? Where is it? Okay, because on a flat plane, on a flat plane on the horizon, the sun would be rising diagonally, getting bigger. Then it would be in the southern part of the sky, getting bigger. Then as it went away, it would be going smaller, going down diagonally in the southern part of the sky. If you were in America, time to wake up. Time to wake up. This is preschool. This is a goddamn preschool model. And I can't even believe that people have the audacity to push this bullshit. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. It's crazy. You know, this should have been on my first video, but you know, I'm so busy, I barely have any time to do it. You know, I was getting ready to debunk it. You know, this has to be the icing on the cake for the flat earth debunking videos. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I said, winds go from east to west. I mean, from west to east, because the earth's electromagnetic field is pushing the wind currents that way and the ocean currents that way when the earth spins that direction. It's the earth's magnetic field in the inner sun causing the earth to move west to east. Then when the moon orbits around the earth going east to west, it magnetizes Earth's wind and Earth's ocean tides to go east to west. And this is how you get your crazy storms, your crazy windstorms. And, you know, hot air meets cold air, okay? And you get opposite wind currents hitting each other. And that's how you get your tornadoes, okay, in America, okay? Like I said, if there was really a magnetic North Pole where all the water currents were being renewed at, all of the water currents on the planet would be going north. All of the wind currents on the planet would be blowing east to west. It's over. It's over. Like I said, let me state the fact again. You're telling me we can see on every single side of the damn planet. We can see the stars at the top of the firmament, 70,000 miles right by the firmament. But we can't see a light source that's lighting up over 10,000 mile radius, okay, from anywhere on the planet. That doesn't make any sense. It's half the distance below and it's lighting up half the damn planet, but not everybody on the planet can see it at the same time. Don't be stupid. Look at this. If this was your flat earth model, this would be your result. All the people across the planet would see the sun at the same damn time. Okay? Like 2 Chainz at the same damn time. Unbelievable. Okay? We would have been saw the dark side of the moon if it was orbiting on the flat plane. We would have been saw the dark side of the moon, But nobody can see the dark side of the moon. You know why? Because the moon doesn't have a rotation. It doesn't spin on a rotation. It orbits around the earth, but it's stagnant. Okay? But it orbits around the earth. So we can only see one side on the globe model. It's time to wake up. This is one of the biggest psyops in the history of the planet. Because what this psyop did is it sucked people back into Saturn worship religion. Okay? It sucked people back into Saturn worship and religion. Because what is the first thing they tell you when they try to prove the flat earth model? In the Bible, it says 4 corners of the earth. Okay? In the Quran, it says we live on a flat, motionless earth. And guess what? That draws your consciousness back into religious books. And now you're part of the earth beast, which is the Roman Catholic Vatican Church that controls and funds all world religions. And they are behind this psyop. Okay? It's over. Flatline. You've been debunked. It's over. Okay? And guess what? Here's a little as above, so below for you. This is the smallest particle to the known universe. And what is it? A sphere, a nucleus sphere with other proton and electron spheres. And what are they doing? They're orbiting the other moving sphere, as above, so below. So this can be seen as your sun on a bigger level, with the planets in the solar system orbiting around it, as above, so below. Flat earth math has been debunked with your own damn model, with your own preschool, play school, kindergarten model. It's over. Okay? You got B.O.B., who is a Freemason, who was paid off to promote this garbage. Tila Tequila said that she was a clone under MK Ultra mind control on her Twitter. Go check that out. Okay? You learn math in school, and math proves that we're on a globe Earth. And so does the forensic scientific evidence. Okay? It is over. Read it and weep. Okay? Like, subscribe, leave a comment. It's a chosen one, man. I'm out.